Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to delete and uninstall apps on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you head over to the actual app that you would like to uninstall from your phone. So once you see the actual app you want to install on your phone, let's say for instance, I want to uninstall this app right here. So what I need to do is to simply click and hold down, and these options here is going to pop up. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on uninstall right here. Kiwi browser, do you want to uninstall this app? Simply click on OK, and in a few seconds the app is gone and the app is no longer on your phone. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.